Peloton, come on, let's get this workout started. Claire Edmonton, you got this. Heart rate stays up. We're moving to the mat. Let's go, Peloton. Bring that thunder. We did it together, Peloton.
Peloton stock has returned investors a nearly 650% profit. Will Peloton continue to flex its muscles, or is it exhausted? Should you invest in Peloton? You're going to want to keep watching to find out. In today's video, I'm going to dive deep into Peloton stock to find its strengths and expose its weaknesses to see if we can continue to expect explosive growth from the stock. If you get anything out of this video today, then do me a favor, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so you can get alerts to my videos every week. Hi, I'm Justin Saffel, and this is Creative Vest Stocks, where I help you invest smarter, get richer, and live better. I've been investing for 11 years now, and I've read countless books, attended seminars, and put my hard-earned money to work just so I can make YouTube videos. No, I did it so I could learn to invest, compound my earnings, and take control of my financial future. Last year, I made a nearly 600% return, and it wasn't by luck or by windfall. It was because I learned and prepared for the opportunity. 2020 was a great year for me. Will 2021 be a great year for you? Are you ready to learn and prepare for the next big opportunity? Let's get started. So Peloton made a big return for investors this past year, but should we expect the same from this next year? To determine this, we need to take a brief look back at history and make some assertions about the future. If you subscribe to this channel already, then you know that we use the acronym NEST, N-E-S-T, and some other fundamental research to see if a stock is a buy. N stands for something new, like a new product or an innovation. E for earnings, S is for sales, and T is for the technical setup. Do you want to learn more about how this works and how to pick stocks? Then check out my free guide in the description below, 0 to triple-digit gains in 1 year. Starting with N, let's explore why consumers can't get enough of this fitness industry disruptor and how Wall Street is responding to the demand. Peloton offers an immersive, at-home exercise experience through their bike, tread, and online app. For the price of a gym membership, you get at-home studio-quality fitness from live weekly classes or on-demand from their library of diverse classes, including, of course, biking, running, but also strength training, yoga, and even meditation. Their newest bike, the Peloton Bike Plus, features a compact, adjustable, and quiet frame with a 22-inch touchscreen adjustable display that you can connect to your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-enabled devices. Their newest tread features a shock-absorbing belt, a 32-inch high-definition touchscreen display with a built-in soundbar and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Take Peloton anywhere with you with the Peloton app. You can get access to all of Peloton's digital content with their app on the go. Wall Street analyst Justin Post of Bank of America Securities boosted his price target on Peloton shares from 150 to 175 while reiterating his buy rating. Post noted that monthly visits to the company's website soared by 167% year over year in December and also rose on a month-over-month basis. That surge suggested heightened demand for Peloton's home exercise equipment. Peloton continues to struggle to meet demand, which outstrips supply by a considerable margin. As of January 6th, the company was still quoting delivery times of up to 10 weeks for bikes, their Bike Plus and their Tread. Will the popularity of a product alone increase its share price, or is there something else at play here? What does history tell us? Why did stocks such as Netflix, Zoom, Tesla, and Google go on monster price runs? Well, a study by William O'Neill, founder of Investors Business Daily, which looked at superperforming stocks over the last century, revealed that a large percentage earnings per share increase in the latest quarter or two prior to a stock's major price run stood out the most. Which is why in our NEST acronym, we like to focus on the E, which stands for earnings. We are looking for earnings increases quarter over quarter in the latest quarter or two of a minimum 20 to 50% or more. The best companies can show earnings increases of 100 to 500%. Let's check out the chart and see what Peloton has to offer in terms of earnings increases. Looking at our stock chart, you'll notice in the earnings column here that Peloton boasts an impressive 259% increase in the June 20 quarter, followed by a 211% increase and then a 190% increase in the last quarter. But don't just buy a stock simply because it had a nice earnings increase in the latest quarter or two. Earnings should always be supported by strong revenue growth. So let's take a look at sales. Sales change percent column here shows that Peloton has been growing in the triple digits over the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 quarters, which is substantial growth. Before we get to the T in our NEST acronym and I show you exactly where you should buy the stock, would you like to learn how you can get hedge fund-like returns? Now, thanks to Collective 2, you can get buy and sell alerts to my exact strategy that netted me a 600% return last year. And if you already use Interactive Brokers or set up an account, you can even auto-trade my strategy. You can mirror my exact strategy without even lifting a finger. My first fund, the Creative Vest Growth Fund, has already made an impressive 26% return this year, while my second fund and more aggressive fund, which uses margin, has already gained 46% return this year. And for the first 20 subscribers, I'm going to give a 50% discount. I only have about 10 spots left for this discount, so hurry up and grab yours today. Now for the candy. Where should you buy Peloton stock for the highest probability that the stock's going to go up in price? Once we've done our fundamental analysis, the next thing to do is to find the exact buy point at which the stock has the highest probability of going up in share price. And in general, that's when the stock heads up in price and breaks through an area of resistance. Now, there are two areas of resistance that I want to point out on the stock chart today. The first one is right here at nearly $157.83. The second area of resistance is at $167.37. Both areas are precise buy points where you could get in the stock. And again, what we're looking for is the stock price to head higher and on heavy volume. So you want to see the stock swing up and break through those areas of resistance on heavier than average volume. As you can see, Peloton stock definitely ticks all the boxes in our NEST acronym. If you already bought Peloton stock, then do me a favor and in the comments below, tell me what your cost basis is. Also, if you got anything out of this video today, then do me a favor and smash the like button, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.